get here. I'm not talking about the 22-minute ride from Jamaica Station. I'm literally talking about something that started under 8 of my predecessor governors. It's been 9 governors who've worked to try and get this accomplished. This is New York. There's nothing you cannot imagine. There's nothing you can't do right here in the state of New York. And I love the fact that this is a brand new terminal. It's extraordinary. We have a world-class artist who lent our talents to us, even in her 90s. Kusama designed something that's her gift to her beloved city of New York.
When eventually boarding and exiting the trains, please step carefully between the